In ARCHLine, we are able to toggle between preset perspective views. These are great for showing my clients how the model is going to look like. One new addition to ARCHLine.XP 2019 is that now we are able to control these perspectives straight from the floor plan. Let's see how that works. By activating the 2D window and zooming in, I see a blue marker with a couple of nodes. Let me show you how this works. The circle represents where I'm actually standing, so if I drag it back and forth, I see the perspective changing. It's like moving to another position. If I want to move my head, if I want to look around, I have to click on the triangle and drag it as such. Now you can move the two actions actually, you combine them together, and by clicking on the triangle, you can move and turn your head at the same time. These are great to fine-tune on your perspectives. This way you have a better grip and a much better control over what you want to show. By combining this with the floor navigation tools, I can jump to different floors to move my perspective. By clicking on this button over here, I jump to the first floor, and by clicking on the node again, my view updates. So if I turn around, I can see what's outside.